What is up, guys? Today I will share with you how to unlock your Xiaomi scooter right now in 2026. So actually the example here is Xiaomi scooter 4, and in order to unlock it, the only way available is hardware way. You need to purchase a special device here. Actually nothing special, you need to replace it, will not void your warranty. What you need to do is to unscrew 4 screws here, and in between the wires connect this device that they will speed up your scooter up to 30 km/h. This device also exists for other Xiaomi scooters, so here is this one exactly supports Xiaomi 4, 4 Lite and 4 Ultra. I will leave a link in the description below to this device, and once you purchase it, it will be delivered maybe within 2 weeks from AliExpress. You install it and your maximum speed will be up to 30 km/h, which is more than enough. And in case even you need to use your warranty, also you just unscrew it, put it off and screw it back, so those screws are not protected and there is no any indicators that you screw or not screw them. Actually it's fine to do it, and that's the only way right now in 2026 to unlock the Xiaomi scooter and many other Xiaomi scooters.